Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're fine. So today is a beautiful day. It's a sunny day and we are ready to go to see our mother, Mama Edu, Mama Strongman. Yeah, so we are going to see her today. So come along with us, spend the day with us and see how the day will be. We are the four of us. We have Olivia there, Alvin there, I'm here, Strongman is here. Hi Strongman.
Hi to you.
You're fine, eh?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go.
I'm good now. I was sick, now I'm good.
You are good. All right.
Yeah.
So let's go. So we are out now and this is my outfit for the day. It's a very long dress and Olivia, she's wearing this one. Yeah. And Strongman, he's there. Umefanya nini? What? Yes.
Eastern bypass. Hujafika sio Kimau?
Safely. We are here, we have had our tea and a snack and now we want to have eggs. Our mother there, she's preparing mayai. Eggs. Yes, so.
Oh, mera fanya hivi.
Umeleta Olivia?
Wambia fanya hivi.
Ni sita. Sawa, kuja.
Kezia kuja hapa wewe.
Mimi nachaguliwa 4 term Kiambu County wa Red Sacco. Mimi
Olivia nichukue na unafunika. So I bought these 2 dresses and one was for her and look how beautiful they are. They are very long but they are nice. Can you see how we look? Very, very nice. So she loved it so much. Guys, we are here. It's on a morning. It's on a Saturday morning. We came back yesterday night. After we went to see our mom. So we slept well. We are here
Olivia,
thinking on what to do.
Olivia, leta hiyo bottle of stout iko hapo kwa bedroom. Hiyo bottle of stout iko kwa bedroom pande ile.
So we are relaxing here thinking on what to do today.
Yeah.
Yes, so
As I request my bottle of stout. Do you know what is a bottle of stout? Yeah.
what's that?
It's only the legends can tell.
Can tell.
Yeah.
And Alvin is here.
With sweets.
Amenunua. So guys, it's 12:30 right now. So we want to go out to KMC and buy bonds. Strongman said he wants bone soup. You need to have buns today.
Yeah, I need
soup
to drink the
itself.
soup itself
Mm-hmm.
to gain muscles.
Yeah.
You know, I've been not feeling well for a long time.
Oh, look. Yeah, so that's where we are going. We are going to KMC. Kenya Meat Commission. So, let's go.
Wapi?
We are back, guys. It's on a Saturday. It's on a weekend. So we are back. We have bought 2 packets of
Buns.
buns with a lot of meat. Yeah,
Yeah.
from KMC. Yeah. So we have 2 packets. 1 packet is 180, and they are many. Yeah.
They produce soup for strong.
For strong bones.
Yeah, for strong bones and strong humans.
Yes. So we make sure every week we buy 1 or 2.
Yeah. If you want your humans to be strong, yeah.
So I'm going to tumbukiza with obvious with potatoes, carrots. We love it when it's like that. So let's cook for strong man. Huh?
Yeah, strong man to gain back his strength. You know, he was not feeling well, but at least today he is a bit nini. And then when he takes these bones and eat those meat on those bones,
Yeah.
he becomes
what?
he becomes his people
Ah.
and his strength.
It's straight.
Yeah, Ama, is that not English?
It's English, eh? Yeah. So I'm going to boil with the pressure cooker as usual. This pressure cooker is 6 kgs. So it's very big. At the camera unaweza fikiri it's small, but it can fit 6 kgs.
Of meat,
Yeah,
of food.
of food.
Yeah.
Yes, so what are you going to have this stew with?
This one.
Ugali or mchele?
You are going to decide now today. You are going to want
We are
to
going
decide.
to eat like that, huh? Yeah, you want it?
You know, for now, I've already, my wife took me out when he was going to buy this thing, and I bought some soup and some those head meat.
Kuna nyama, jo.
Look
Yes,
at all
meat.
this meat.
Ew,
All this meat.
imagine.
All for me.
Only for strong man.
All this meat.
Yeah.
All this meat.
Hey, for today, Joe. They are fresh.
Today they have tried.
Yes, and very fresh, eh? So let me wash them first, and then we boil them. So guys, we are here outside, and this is how it looks right now. So we are going to bask here. Are you going to have the tea? Are you going to have the tea?
Yeah, we are taking tea. Others are
Na venye
taking
kuna
diabetes.
joto.
Others are taking diabetes. Me, I'm taking tea.
Tea.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are the potatoes. I'm going to peel them right now so that I can cook for strong man. Yeah, it's almost 2 p.m. and Alvin is here. What have you bought?
A biscuit.
Biscuit. Yes, I am.
Yes, it's a biscuit.
Is it biscuit?
Yes.
Give me one. Yeah?
Nditi anangu yanunua.
Inanunulia yangu hii ipeanangu. So we have this biscuit here. It's called Shuja. Shuja. Chakula chakula. I want you to eat food. So I have carrots here, I have potatoes. I'm going to peel them now. I've put the meat to boil, the bones to boil. So I will leave them for like 30 minutes. And then niende nitumbukize hizi hapo. Yeah.
Mimi nakula yote. Ini yako. Na mama. Ni yangu. Yako. Mama, shika yako. Yako.
Mimi.
Tusichukue yangu.
Ready? So these are my tumbukizas. I also have this one. Anakata tu hivi. Alafu nazitumbukiza. Like that way. And also this one.
It's a football.
So guys, it's on Monday morning, very early in the morning. So I'm cleaning the dishes because yesterday was on a Sunday. I didn't wash them. So first thing first, before cooking tea, I want to clean the kitchen first because it's very dirty. Everything is dirty. So we have just woken up. It's what's the time, Olivia? Yeah. For sitting room. 8 what?
39.
8:39. Okay, so we have woken like 8 a.m. So Olivia, she's going to finish the dishes as I cook the tea. And then we start the day. We start the week. It's a new week. And what's the date today? Tomorrow is school day. So today we are doing the preparations for school. Okay. Tomorrow kids are opening. So today we are going to pack the bags, buy some few things, and call it a day. Okay? Yeah. So I've decided to prepare porridge. Strongman said he wants porridge, so that's what I'm going to prepare. And as for the kids, they will have the cereals. But yesterday I cooked chapos Yesterday I cooked chapati with cabbage. So I think I'll have that and porridge too. So this is how I mix it with cold water first, and then pour there with the boil vizuri kama ina balls, like that way. So you mix like this. Okay. I think that's enough. Then I'm going to wait and then add sugar. So guys, this is our breakfast. So this is our breakfast. We have porridge, we have Weetabix and cornflakes. This is for Olivia, for Alvin, and for me, and for the man of the house. So Olivia, karibu. Take yours. Can you taste? How is it? Perfect.
Yes.
Okay, so
I was taking porridge.